Her, and no, I wouldn't say I made her a convert. I did send her, like, in preparation for my presentation. I had a meeting with her because I thought it would be useful to get someone who has a doctorate in uh, anthropology. I thought their 2 cents on replacement migration might be worth having. My anthropology professor looked me in the face. She said she had never heard of replacement migration as a policy and that she would look into it. And then we had scheduled a time to meet during her office hours, right? I go to meet with her and she said, so the first thing I did was I looked it up and it said that this was a conspiracy theory. But then I followed the link that you gave me to the UN's actual website and I read this policy. And she looked me dead in the face and said, and I'm quoting her to the best of my ability here, this seems like it was designed to cause as many problems as conceivably possible. And I
Isn't
was
that
like, oh, that's
fascinating?
interesting.
Someone in
Hmm?
that
Oh,
position doesn't even know about these things.
correct. Like, this is an anthropology professor teaching at a university who has never heard of replacement migration, has no
Yeah.
idea that this is a United Nations policy. And I'm shocked by how many people I meet who are just completely devoid of all of this information.